Hello and welcome. In this video lesson, I am going to use a query tool for the finding publicly available exploits through a tool that is SearchSploit. This tool is inbuilt in Kali Linux box. To use this tool, you can simply type SearchSploit on the shell prompt and it will give you all the details how to use it and what is this tool made for. This tool is very helpful in finding the exploits. Suppose you are going to penetration test and you perform the vulnerability scanning and you see there is Apache version that is running earlier vulnerable versions of Apache's web server. Then you can just simply type and query in the SearchSploit. It will find the publicly available exploits for the same. So using this tool is simple. Simply type SearchSploit and hit enter. It will provide you with lots of options to use. But using this tool is much simpler than this. Simply type SearchSploit and type the name of the vulnerability or the exploits that you want to fetch from the database. So in this case, I will just type Apache. So performing query for the Apache module provided a lot more vulnerability and the scripts in the text file and with all the Python scripts as well. So performing a simple query with the help of this tool SearchSploit, you will find a lot more publicly available exploits to attack the target. All these paths have been misconfigured. This path is not located at the exact exploit. All the exploits are located under usr share exploit db. And in the platforms directory, you can see there are a lot more exploits that has been categorized in with the attack type and the platform basis. So simply, if you want to search for the exploit for the Android operating system, so simply go for on the Android directory and in this category, and you will find a lot more options. Like it is, if you want to search for the exploit like a DOS attack or for the local attack, and if you want to get the exploit for the remote session or remote attacking, and there are shellcodes and the web applications as well. So let's check for the remote. Going for the remote exploit for the Android operating system, you will find a lot more exploits in the HTML format and the Python and the text format. So simply I will use one of them and let's see what is in the text file. As you can see, opening this one file is telling that Google Chrome for the Android is prone to multiple vulnerabilities. Attackers may exploit these issues to execute arbitrary code in the context of the browser. So similarly, this code can be compiled and sent to the remote mobile phone, and this code will run in the Android phone and in the browser of Google Chrome. So it will perform the exploit and compromise that Android operating system. Similarly, going to use, you can perform all this and find all the details related to the exploits, and you can execute on your own machine and then send. If it is for the DOS attack, you can perform the DOS attack from your own machine, or if it is the remote exploits, then you can perform remote exploitation on the target. But similarly, going through the searching exploit is using SearchSploit is a simple. Type the SearchSploit and the exploit code and the exploit name you want to perform. Like suppose if I want to find the exploit for the Windows platform, I will simply type SearchSploit Windows and it will provide lots more results that is matched with the Windows platform attacks and the exploit codes. So before using these scripts and the exploit codes, it is highly recommended that test this code on your own machine before going to exploit on the target system in a penetration test. And finally, there are a lot more options it provides to search the exploit and categorized all the results and the exploits. So using this tool is as simple as that. You can find the exploits, compile on your own machine and perform the exploitation.